Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Basic Learning for Kids. So today our topic is names of fruits. So the first name of fruit is apple. Apple, apple. The second name of the fruit is banana. Banana, banana. The third name of the fruit is mango. Mango, mango. The fourth name of the fruit is orange. Orange, orange. The fifth name and the last name of the fruit is pear. Pear, pear. So these were the basic 5 names of fruits. I hope you liked the video.
Now please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching.